epic little cinematic B-roll of the Jordan 1 Bloodline. And yeah, a lot of these videos are going to be a little bit more like this, where I'll talk about the shoe afterwards, but I'll give you all the goodness in the beginning of the video. So for those of you that know about the Bloodline as well as Jordan Brand, you don't always have to stick around till the end, but if you want to have a look and a more detailed look, this is for you. The Jordan 1 Bloodline, rumored to be the Chicago at the end of 2019 in December, and Jordan Brand kind of came up with the Bloodline and not the Chicago. A lot of people refer to this as a Coca-Cola shoe, as there were pictures surfacing with Coca-Cola t-shirt, and there was rumor that apparently some pairs actually came with a Coca-Cola t-shirt. So I'm not 100% sure if that actually happened or not, but in South Africa it didn't happen. The entire shoe has been trimmed with a, call it an underlying red form of fabric. Could be leather, it's just not surfaced like the black and the white leather. The quality of the leather on the Jordan 1 Bloodline is absolutely amazing. Whether you're on the outside or the inside of the shoe, the medial side or the toe box, it's super plush, super awesome, and the black leather all around is exactly the same except for the Nike tick. It's a little bit more textured. Yeah, you've got this red outsole, which is amazing, so it doesn't get that dirty if you wear them, and the white midsole. What I like about Jordan Brand, and a lot of sneakers actually in that fact, when they go with a different color outsole to the midsole, it makes the sole look a lot thinner rather than this big fat sole, something that I'm not really into on shoes. This is the red lace setup. It is the nicest laces. You do get the white laces as well as the black laces with a little bit of red on them. That says, "Who said man was not meant to fly?" You've got your Nike Air tab on the tongue, as well as the mesh synthetic kind of fabric tongue, as opposed to the leather that's on the Jordan 1 Defiant. You've also got the Air Jordan Wings logo on the outside part of your shoe, which is kind of embossed into a glossy Air Jordan Wings logo. Now, a lot of people said this was too similar to other Jordans, and unfortunately I think they are completely wrong. I know all Jordan 1s pretty much look the same, and this does have a basic Jordan 1 silhouette, and the thing is, it is a lot different. When you lace it up with red laces and you put this on, it's a super hot shoe. And that's it on the Jordan 1 Bloodline. I hope you guys enjoyed this little cinematic B-roll in the beginning, and if you enjoy these videos, please subscribe to the channel. We will be dropping sneaker videos as you've seen before, as well as you can follow us along through our YouTube journey. So thanks for watching, and yeah, wherever you guys are in the world, have a good day, good evening, good night, goodbye.